That is the fact I want to tell. Yesterday I went to Raghuram house. I said I will take you to that. He was a great asset to me. I want to cover my speech in a philosophic manner because I studied Sanskrit, Telugu, and taking the quotations from Urdu and Bhagavad Gita and Hindi. समय से पहले भाग्य से अधिक किसी को कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं. It's a famous quotation. This is the time we got to meet you. Initially, when I came to know Ranjit Raghavan telephone number through ERS Reddy, just I given a call to Reddy. I met him around 82, 86 in between, and I was searching a house site to construct my house, and he has shown a very good site and able to buy it also. But meanwhile, government has put action, and I have to take loan from APSFC. I gone. So, with so many things happened. Here, what is time? Time is most important for everybody. It is in Vedas, Mahabharata, Ramayana, everywhere you will find time. When B.R. Chopra wanted to take the mega serial of Mahabharata, he has appointed group of the people to study how to start it. They selected a wheel, a time, which will witness so many things. In this, in Bhagavad Gita, you need not necessarily to study entire 18 episodes and sit and do it. There is one sloka is the most important, is within 2 sentences. Karmanya vadikarasya ma palesu kadachana ma karma palahetum mahe sangopta karmani. Here, entire conversation of the Bhagavad Gita is Arjuna and Sri Krishna. Arjuna representing human body, Sri Krishna representing a god. And Sri Krishna says to Arjuna, Arjuna, you are a man. I have given a mind to think it. And think the right way and do it. And you have taken so many births, you doesn't know. And you are like just like other living things. But whenever it reaches, I give the result to you and marks to you. That is linked to karma bandha. Again, what is karma bandham? It is a philosophy. It's actually, when you go over, it may look a little funny, but I follow, I do social service, I do so many things in my life. Not only education, always from childhood, education is 30% or 70, 80% is extracurricular activities. That is only helping me today, actually not education. So, what is karma bandha? Karma bandha, Sri Krishna Paramatma says in Bhagavad Gita. Last birth, balance. Whether you have plus or minus, that will be a opening balances for this birth. This plus or minus is going to take for next year. So, though everybody will work, but sometimes we get results of why it is related to karma. So, this is the thing where I believe very strongly. I work hard, I do everything perfect, I am a God-feared man, and everything is coming under my grip, day by day. That is one thing. Another thing about life. What is life? Once you think about the essence of life, where we have to pass through now, we pass different stages in our life. Childhood, education, till that our parents are taking care, mother was there, father was there. When we grow 25 years, they are selecting wife for us because mother knows a wife after mother, a person important is the wife. Why it is come, I will tell you, I will come back. Then children's, their settlements, going up, coming down, creating assets, all these things will go for everybody. After that, children will settle their own way. They will go. Assets, whatever you are going to distribute to all. And left out is wife and husband. What is the definition of wife? 6 qualities for wife. She will serve the man in 6 dignitaries. It's most important. After mother, next chance goes to wife. I give lot of weightage to my wife because she is serving me. She changed me a lot because I is from a landlord's family, bureaucrat family, dominating family. Always our eyes are with like this. No much education. Whereas my wife comes from a lecturer daughter, Sridhar knows it. He has seen my house. And he has rescued me several times. I always creating problem in SFC, he is solving. So I was in district, he was in ADAP. Always, Arey, why you take shoulder, all the problems on your shoulder and follow this and go away. So he is a matured man, no? Always he talks maturity. I came later. So after that, what definition of the wife? Karanesh Mantri, Rupesh Lakshmi, Shehnesh Ramba, like that there are six. In that, number one, wife is just like advisor, like mother, like Ramba, like Sri Lakshmi. Wife face is Asta Lakshmi, Daira Lakshmi, Dani Lakshmi, Aha Lakshmi, Ananda Lakshmi. That is the definition of our Hindu Dharma Shastra. And she has such a patience to serve. And nobody can that, like earth. So these are all the linked with Karma Bandha. How getting wife, blessing children, and also your job, everything is linked related to karma. Runalu Bandha Rupena Pashupatni Sutalaya. When it comes, it comes. When it goes, goes. I born in very rich family. And my childhood was, Mr. Sridhar knows very well how we are, and he has seen my properties. And it has gone. My childhood days are like the royal days. Slowly it has gone. Again it is coming. Again it is going. See, it is not in our hands. We think that misusing like that is not that, even otherwise. So, when we come to wife and husband, in these two, somebody will go out. One has to live alone. And that is the essence of the life. And once, if you have money, then you will be survivable. Otherwise, no children will take care because somebody is in somewhere else coming and giving this. This is the thing. Once you think this, you will become a positive thinker. Once you think a positive thinking, you get back to the right thinking and everything goes positive. And in Urdu, there is a quotation in Old City because I brought Dane Dane pe likha hai khane wale ka naam. Every food, everywhere they are written. Today they have written, we are eating the food of our Navneet. Yes, you are hosting us, we are eating. That's all.
We have to pay for it.
So these things I want to cover. Still, there is time is very short, no? That's why I want ending it because I am basically Telugu literature man. I am very less in MBA and I am very maximum in Telugu literature. I was topper in university.
Like, you know, the last sentence of a very famous poetry in Vishwada Virama Vinuragema, like, I am a man.
So, my background is such, I born in a landlord's family and a dominating family. I studied matriculation. Every year was dilemma whether I pass or So, matriculation, because we heads from 90 kilometers from here, Urdu medium and this comes under Nizam rule and all. So, matriculation, my father was not interested for my education. He is always say, do contract, do this thing, because we have sufficient properties like that during this. So, then my mother was interested because she is very worried about me and I was lost in the house, so Lord man and everything. So, matriculation, 1 mark less, fail. That's all. So, I have studied there is no grammar for me as on today, no English grammar, nothing. Just I will communicate my opinions, that's all. Passing through is a great thing in that one attempt. I got it. Then I went to nearby native place, PUC to BA, got Arts and College, certificate. Even PUC also same, 66, 66. No 1 mark less, no mark high, that's all. when graduation come, I don't know, I remember all that 3 years, there is a tremendous improvement in my background, education. Because of late Parasaram Gopala Krishnamurti, Bhasha Vidwan, I am studying BA Telugu literature, one of my optional subject in BA to BA. And he used to take lot of interest on me, and he used to give me lot of training for me. I was second, yes, I remember, BA first year there was special examination. I am second in university, Usman University. Language I scored well, optionals I scored well, sports also, NCC, everything. And I became a noted person in that college. I don't know why, slow by slow, it is like that. So after that, there is a campaign taken place by the Indian Air Force to my near place. Just like I gone, I selected Officers Academy. And they asked me to come, I want to become a pilot like that, my parents are not there. After that, I joined in MA. I was doing MA perfectly, opposite to Department of Business Management Board I have seen. And I take very bold decisions in my life because my father has given that type of encouragement to me always. So I took it. So MBA gone. So getting on MBA itself is very 2 years, yes, no master, that's all. And that gone also. So after that, I was trying in APSRTC, there is a post created for me and that is a political background. And that's. Suddenly, I have selected in APSFC because of, I have to take his name, otherwise if he is not there, I am not doing justice. E.G. Parveshwaran was there in that interview. He is my guru. He is my guru. No interview. Simply he is asking how you are running mess, how you are managing the hostel, like that. They tasked me and given appointment after that. That was the situation, boss. If subject they ask, I may not able to communicate also. I am telling my position was like that. So I joined in APSFC. In the interview itself, they told the then managing director, you are perfect in field. You hails from rural background. I want to send back to rural for development. There is a quota fixed by IDBA to sanction the loans for tiny sectors going to interior villages. So I have posted. My basic career has started in the grassroots level as assistant manager, development of tiny sectors. After that, the deputy manager, appraisal and sanctions, disbursement, so many, step by step. The SFC field level, a top post is there. It's a very top, comparing MD also, district manager. He is a district manager, is in charge for sanctioning the loans, disbursement and recovery. It's a very tough job. So I work with 6 districts, ranging from Adilabad, Warangal, Khammam, Nalgonda, Rangareddy. Each year there is a targets for starting from 5 crores to 25 crores. So I was a little bit function, very prompt and honest. So many things I learned after having a lot of exposure and properties were there for me, no need to do any this thing. So that was successfully, I managed that. Nothing went wrong. Very perfect, and I was the head of the branch, and I was doing perfectly that. After that, I came to head office. Head office around 16 years, I worked in audit, general manager, and also there are 2 lines which worked that is helping me in private sector. Rehabilitation of sick units with government of Andhra Pradesh. Their bankers, APIDC, SSIDC will be there, and also this revival, VIFR, all functions I work. You know, sometimes I take a very bold decision and which will be supported by my husband. Wife I will call a husband. So because of greatness I will give to her. I said, you apply it immediately. I applied it. 2000, after working 28 years and this. It's a normal course. The SFC job is a normal course. Anybody joins assistant manager, totally go. But sometimes they will be in head office, sometimes they will be like that. After that, there is one my friend, Mr.